Introducing EufySecurity, the one-stop solution for a safe and secure home. EufySecurity offers a complete range of smart home security products that protects you, your family, and your privacy. EufySecurity is the first of its kind full home security system that gives you everything you want with none of the hassles. Introducing the wire-free 1080p EufyCam 2C with a 180-day battery life. Let's check out the product overview. The camera lens captures everything in a 135-degree range at 1080p Full HD and uses a light sensor to monitor the amount of light in the picture so you get the best possible result. The microphone allows you to speak directly to anyone who approaches your home via two-way audio. The built-in spotlight illuminates the surrounding area and allows you to see the whole picture in colour clarity. The motion sensor detects when there is motion in the frame and can be customised to specific areas. The sync button is used to pair your EufyCam 2C camera with the HomeBase 2 via the EufySecurity app. Once paired, this will show via the status LED light on the front of the camera. The mounting hole located on the back of the camera is used with the provided screw-in mount so that you can secure your device to exterior surfaces. The micro USB port located on the base of the unit is used to charge your camera. This can be done using the HomeBase 2 or via a USB charger. The speaker allows visitors to hear real-time responses from you if you are not home. The HomeBase 2 brings all of your devices together. The status LED light on the front of the unit demonstrates whether the unit is operational. If the alarm is tripped, the 100 decibel smart siren will sound through this speaker. This speaker can also be used as an audible chime when paired with the Eufy video doorbell. Power the HomeBase 2 by connecting it with the supplied power cable to the power port outlet. The USB port can be used to charge the EufyCam 2C cameras. The Ethernet port is used to connect your HomeBase 2 to the router during setup. Once the HomeBase 2 is paired, you can use this through your Wi-Fi connection. If there is ever a need to reset the HomeBase, this reset button is located on the back of the unit. Use the sync and alarm off button when you are pairing your device with the EufySecurity app, or if the siren has been tripped and you wish to turn this off. No cords, wires or installation costs, the EufyCam 2C is completely wire-free and installs anywhere you want to survey with ease. Live stream and record footage in crystal clear 1080p HD. The 135-degree diagonal field of view allows you to see exactly what is happening in and around your home. Avoid frequent trips to charge your battery and enjoy 180-day battery life from just one charge. After investing hundreds of dollars into a security system, should you really have to pay extra each month to use it? With Eufy, there are no monthly fees or hidden costs and has local storage with a 256-bit encryption. AES 128 data encryption ensures your footage is kept private on transmission and storage. It is truly storage you can trust. With an IP rating of 67, the EufyCam 2C has been built to ensure non-stop operation in extreme weather conditions from 50 degrees to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Human detection reduces the number of false alerts you receive. EufyCam 2C intelligently differentiates humans from objects. It also detects strangers who have not been cleared for access. The EufyCam 2C range is available in 4 different configurations. 2-pack with HomeBase 2, 3-pack with HomeBase 2, 4-pack with HomeBase 2, and a single add-on camera that can be added to any other configuration.